Xoxele nge-podcast awubest wena mfethu le podcast hlala phansi sixoxe nge-podcast massive creative podcast ithi ngikuxoxele nge-podcast awubest wena mfethu le podcast hlala phansi sixoxe nge-podcast massive creative podcast hayi host umhliko i-guest ihuwe lights camera action sisha izule obvious nami usuqagela movies yayona umbrella i-podcast.
Welcome to the Creatives Unplugged podcast. I'm your host, Umhligo. We are back again with another exciting episode. La Sikona, a Creative Unplugged podcast. Don't forget to go on YouTube and subscribe. Press the like so you can become a member. Your family. Whenever we drop our exciting episodes, but again, it's all about excitement. As you see, it's a topic. It's new, fresh from Pleke Yezaka. So we bring fresh things. Once a month, so a panel discussion. Last of us in there, insights, information about different things that will help creatives. But today, hey, I'm so excited. I'm not going to be alone anymore. I'm bringing my co-host, someone who's very smart, someone who will share ipaparazzi lapayana umkosi and what is happening actually la eMzansi ngama creatives or around the world. Allow me to welcome Archild Africa.
What's up, guys? My name is Archild Africa, the African rockstar, all the way from eSnqawini, khona la eThekwini. Kwelika Banana. We're here on the Creative Unplugged podcast, and I'm here as the sister of the show, as the sister of South Africa, bringing the vibes, the vibrancy, the color. I'm bringing the divine feminine energy. I'm happy to be here. Welcome.
I love it.
So excited to be here.
The sister of the nation.
The sister of the nation.
Of the creatives.
Lalela. Sebangena.
Hey, Gamnandi. Angithi it's an Africa month.
It's Africa month,
Africa month.
And today is Africa Day.
Happy Africa Day. Yayibona sishaya ngesiAfrica uyazi ke ukuthi mawe African sithi I'm an African ehlisa ukoma bambanali can hayibo konakele so let's get it started. I saw ukuthi kuneyingoma obhizi ngazo it's an EP.
Yes, as you guys know ukuthi February I was here on the podcast as was the first time seeing such a beautiful thing in Durban. I was so taken away about everything, and I was here to actually promote my first EP, which was Art of Love. But after that, what you know now, but other people don't know, that I released another EP in April called Art of Freedom, commemorating Freedom Month. As South Africa, we're still a young democracy. So I did release a new EP, which is also based on Amapiano more than Afropop like the previous one.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So any features?
Luckily, I took your advice this time around. I was like, no features. Me.
Okay.
But I also saw that you also released an album called Hope.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
it's
and
also
I was
an
listening.
EP,
and
actually,
I had
it's also an EP. It's available on all social media platforms. More phone and your phone will ngena laphana uzoyithola go YouTube, go Spotify, go queen. Singene kube mnandi sijabule sama MT.
There's some interesting elements that I saw on your EP.
Yeah.
Khona nje i-terminate esilaziyo la eThekwini esilazi ngabona nje ngegomo ngebhenge but laphayana he's a vocalist. Tell me about that.
No, actually that's DJ Kukwa.
Yeah.
So mangisebenza naye most of the times mayifaka ivocal laphayana ukayithanda ukuyibiza ngoMajesty.
Yeah.
So usu exposekile ke Majesty.
Nice one. Those vocals, I was like, who is singing there?
Yeah.
And he was like, hey, Kukwa. I'm like, what?
Yeah, so in my
Such
EP
talent.
I have Majesty, which is DJ Kukwa, wenza ama-chorus kwingoma esuthu.
Yeah.
And then I also have uZulu Boy, umgila phana. Respect Mr. Zulu Boy.
Oh my.
And then kuno-Cool P laphana uPhumlane bayamazi abantu Base Camp. And then kuzoba khona uRuma. Oh, there's uRuma, there's uNkonzo kwenye ingoma esayishaya neband laphana. Ethi duze Duze, baby, come duze.
I think that was my favorite one.
Yeah. So mostly
yeah.
got into engayisho ukuthi ingoma ene message sizama ukuqwashisa iyouth sizama ukukhuluma ngezinto ezakho umphakathi eziya phambili. Yayibona so ngiyathanda ukuthi mangiphatha ipeni nje whenever I write I want to educate and send information ukuthi abantu babe aware ukuthi siphila kanjani emalokishini siphila kanjani emaThekwini eMzansi around the world. You know?
Yes.
So usiphathele umgosi kwenzakalani usiphathele kwenzakalani ngempela around the world ngama creatives nabantu nje in general.
Kuningi kuthiwa nje kuqalwe ekhaya ngithi asiqale nje la eSouth umshana wecountry ilasibone country naledi aphiwe sebevele bamphula inhliziyo bafethu mfana uNomawelele we all know her them as Romeo and Juliet. They just recently won a Metro Award for their single and kohamba ke phela kwaphela naye esho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukukhalela igwinya right akunika ibheka
ish show sikhona ibheka ezayo mhlawumbe kuyovela sekuvela umlungu.
Yeah, so they went through the breakup, but umshana uyasebenza. She just recently released a single with uCC. We all know her from Usukulila and all of those her albums, and she just released a single with her called the Amen, and it's doing really well. It's #1 on the charts right now on Apple. And and
winner ngambone winner lapha kuma Metro Awards.
Yes. And the way she performs, got the ends of ECC and Friends tour, and the way she was performing, she's giving all into the performance. She dances, she sings, she acts. There's choreography, the whole production behind it, and it's so nice to see such in South Africa a band that actually take it seriously in the perform.
Nice.
Yeah, and talking about performing. Chris Brown, he was arrested. In the UK because of an incident that happened in 2023 in a club involving a bottle and kwathiwa nje uyaboshwa and lapho ithoya iqala ngomhla ka8 kwathiwa no he's not going to be granted bail uzomele ezilinde ngomhla ka13 and masizwa amahebi ezike la ngaphandle apparently usephumile kodwa bemele khokhe ibail ya £5 million.
£5 million.
£5 million.
Ngazi malini le emarandini?
It's 120,800,000.
Okay.
120 meter.
Yes. Boy, bail yakhe le.
Bail.
Should ube ngale UK la kade boshwe khona.
Yeah, I'm presuming because I think most of his tour starts that side. I'm presuming Clembe Basari has or shake my specs or something. But yathi government isibonwa yini. Ihlalele nje 5 meter nje. Bavele bamfaka ngaphakathi estoksini ayike zaya i-team yakhe yazama ukuhlanganisa i-team Breeze lapha e-UK angazi kwenzakaleni kuba khankasile or what but ke he's out.
Okay. Chris busy. Ingakho ufake lipstick ebrown. Chris Brown.
Yeah, but has to represent, you know, mshana wekhanda naye.
Yeah, uthini omunye umgosi lapha?
Lana futhi ke masibuye la sibuye la eSouth usiswethu Mahu.
Oh, Mahu, yes.
Naye nje uyithole sekwi-crossfire lapha nama-organizers at-Durban Music Fest because there was a voice note that was leaked of her saying, or allegedly there was a voice note that was leaked of her saying that the organizers are scammers. And then when the organizers had a whim of this, bavele bathi nje, Sisi, you are defaming our character, you need to pay us 1 million rand or else.
Zama million nje
everywhere.
Dilo nama million.
Lapho she only got paid like 65k for the gig. So what do you think? Do you think she should pay imeter mengafuna apologize or vele babuyisela imali yabo?
Akababuyisela.
Yeah, kodwa speaking of imali futhi mfethu siswethu uNomcebo Zikode.
Oh yeah, I saw that actually.
And this is touching on what you were talking about in terms of what Lana Creatives Unplugged. We are going to be bringing a panel of people that are going to help my creatives to not find themselves in this situation.
Yeah, big time, because now you'll end up signing a deal or anything with another production. So how many projects?
2. Like she still has to produce 2 albums for them.
You know?
Yes.
And we lose the case.
She's lost the case and she has to pay 1.5 million in legal fees.
No royalties whatsoever.
Jerusalem, guys, this song was huge. This song was played all over the world. Every single organization or company parking lots, especially challenge Jerusalem. And it's so unfortunate that such a beautiful lady that is so talented that put us South Africa on the map. But didn't even get a cent from that.
Bruh.
Yeah, it's quite crazy.
So let's go back to basics now. Isn't it balekile for our creatives like our registrations and ngicabanga ukuthi kuzoba platform right ngempela for panel discussion less obesians. Like let's get someone from Sambro, let's get someone from Kumisa dealing with artist management, let's get a creative and then have that panel discussion so everyone will be looked up and then they will know exactly what to go about when I get the recording deal or when I want to push my songs, music. Let's get someone from radio, you know. Let's engage on these topics because they are sensitive. That's why abanye babona sebeboshwa manje, abanye babona sekunama case because lapha asibona ababonanga ekuqaleni, you know.
Yes. And this is the thing I was also like, remember when we were speaking like ukuthi yazi ma artist this the first thing you must do when you get into studio is have a split sheet. Most artists and creatives don't even know about a split sheet because when you're about to start a recording session, you have to have something called a split sheet where you write your name, the producer's name, whoever else is featured, whether it's a vocalist, it's a songwriter, or it's yourself as a producer or an engineer. Even if you're a session artist, you must write down everyone's name, signatures, and how much you're splitting in royalties so that whatever happens to the song, even if we weren't around when it was mastered or mixed or even released, that you're able to get at least a cut yako. And whenever you finish doing a song, you must go straight to Samro on the portal and register the song. So whatever happens, there's a timestamp on that. Uguti now you can actually claim this because we've seen so many examples here in South Africa, especially with our majorly talented people such as Ozahara that haven't even gotten like using that they deserved because of paperwork, because of such a little thing as actually reading the fine print, you know. So it's very important as artists to not want. I know it's very difficult as an independent artist. You have to wear many hats, but you need to also be able to give away some power to abantu that you trust so that they can also like see the things that you can't see as an artist. Shout
out to Concerts SA, always putting artists on the map and plug them in and with information and insights, as well as shout out to Kumisa.
Kumisa, I just got they put me on Sis Naima K's event. Kumisa has this thing called the Life Circuit, where you just apply, and if there's a major event, they give artists some platforms, a platform jalo, and they give you something in return, in remuneration for your services. So Maning, even Samro themselves, like you guys may think it's a big organization that's far away from it's right on the tip of your fingers. Even the EPs I was telling you about were sponsored by Samro.
Nice.
They paid for the mixing, the mastering, and the production.
I hope abantu balalele kakhulukazi, especially ama artists, because it's a sensitive talk for them. Kwesinye isikhathi bayithola umuntu ingoma isizifika ngisho radioweni kodwa akatholi lutho. Yabo. So to move away sisakhona lapha sakhona khona okumkhosi.
Okumkhosi omnandi.
Good news.
It's good news only because South Africa, but fair to Tina nje, we are just, I don't know what are we doing, but nje, I don't know, it's in the water, magushabanye. But our very own lady or young lady, Utyla, is now the first African female to host, or even a first African to host Nickelodeon Awards, the Kids Show Awards. Yes.
Oh, nice.
She's always putting us on the spot.
Yeah, Grammy Award winner.
Yeah, Grammy Award winner, MTV, even the UK.
Yes.
I love her. I love her style. But as in the Met Gala, there's this thing called the Met Gala in the US where you are invited, and she was one of the people that were actually hosting alongside the Doja Cat, Uzandile.
Oh, nice.
It's for the Doja Cat. So she was called and then to come and host and be one of the people that are in the forefront of the Met Gala, because last year she had the best look. So and then other people are kind of disappointed because she was wearing something very simple. Got them on the comments, people like, how in Dabanga is Kotane. So she represents South Africa. But I think whatever it is, she's doing great. She's putting us on the map. There's no interview that she goes by without mentioning South Africa.
Shout out to her.
Shout out.
And shout out to Lentunjani, Music Imbizo as well.
Hey, Music
They're
Imbizo.
also doing good for creatives.
I'm a witness too. I feel like I'm just gonna keep saying me too.
Because this is a company.
Now, guys, last year,
Music
Imbizo, I was performing.
With your experience, yeah.
So I applied to Music Imbizo. When I applied to Music Imbizo, I applied as a live singer because I was singing with my live band.
Nice.
So when I got there, I got the email which I've been accepted. It was amazing. It was an international event. There's people from all over the world. We were able to network.
Yeah.
There's also like stores they have La Payana at the ICC. They put out for, there was even an office, a desk like a Samro. There's a desk like a Capasso. There's a desk. Yeah, but all of those things, yes.
Yeah,
so
they
I think so just capture it for our viewers.
That's great. To push forward lapha kumgosi kuyaphela noma sesiright.
Hayi kuyaphela ibongoze Nkosi
ayiqedwa no phela not ukuthi lapha ngundaba like mangibhobhoza side ngiyayithanda indaba ukuze kwenzakalani siphila sabahlali yabo. So kunento emnandi kade siyibona kwi-page lethu le-creative on Facebook. We have like more people sending us messages ukuthi siyacela bandla ukuthi nathi sivelela kwi-Creative Unplugged podcast. So advise yethu ne-team sithi thina just go on email on moviusmedia1@gmail.com. Emailele iletunjani profile yakho yabo professional nje asithemba ukuthi Jenny ke isithe ukuthi xaxa yabo emailele sibone ukuthi umuntu okanjani osenzeni because manje siyabona ukuthi ayanda ama message abantu bayoze bathi siyabaziba and sinendlela esisebenza ngayo kunabanye abantu abakwi list besifisa ukuthi siba invite and then sifuna ukuthi nabo siba accommodate because Creative Unplugged eyanombani wonke umuntu oyi-creative platform le esifuna ukuthi wonke umuntu agcine engenile kuyona but ngendlela e-right. So nalabo abasubscribe-ayo ke please qhubekani ke ni-view nje ama-episode esinilethela wona. Uma ukuthi awaka-subscribe please press that button, press that like. Ngibonile ke njengoba ngike ngathi ukuphuma kancane ngile ko-PE bekunabantu cabanga ngithuke kanjani kunabantu from Mpumalanga ababuka i-Creative Unplugged podcast from Cape Town babuka i-Creative Unplugged Western Cape yonke indawo they like Mhliko sinane qhubekani nisilethela ama-creative nisilethela uCream every day. I was so excited ukubona ukuthi asodwa masikanjeni yabo leona khona ngisho abaphethe phesheya koyilwandle. So siyabonga kakhulu konke ama-supporters e-Creative Unplugged podcast. Support is all over.
Yeah, all over the world.
Yeah,
and it's important to integrate our languages as well because obviously our cultures, we already integrated them.
Yes.
Given the Amapiano trending movement, giving the Gqom, given everything, TikTok, everything that you see that originates from South Africa, I feel like the world is actually taking it in very well and we're very grateful to be recognized finally. I feel like South Africa, you can't recognize Wamanje. Do you feel like that?
Yes.
I feel like we're trending everywhere now. Suddenly
all over. We've been
been around, guys.
We've been around. Umzansi has been the country that is being recognized all over the world with good things mostly.
Good things. Yes.
Kade ngibona nalapha kuma Olympics we had like ama letunjana ashaya
our athletes Osimbine Walaza
winner. We see you guys. We love you guys. So
and also the world's strongest man is a South African man who was just doing it for fun. They just started training 2 years ago. Can you believe that?
Yeah. So Africa, my continent, Africa, my country. So
Africa Day.
Yeah, Africa Day. Bengifuna ukusho la ukuthi before sivale, before sibaleke sibashiya abantu ukuthi siphinde sibakhumbuze ukuthi sizonilethela ibhenga. We're going to bring hits on this Creative Unplugged podcast. Our guest, yo
the lineup is insane.
But yeah, we're bringing a surprise for you guys. As you see, the setup is amazing. Igiya nyukile so benje sishidlika. Siyabonga kakhulu.
So manje laphana ku-EP yakho awufuni nje usithwahla
Hey nangoke. Cha ngithi.
Uhlezi cela mina wasithwahla nje.
Hayi ngoba ile ntonyane Africa Monday, Africa Day. Khona le ngoma engayibhalela umAfrika ngithi wezulu bolobola. Mawugqoka isigege ngithi hola. Ngilula umunwe bese ngiyakunombola ntokazi. You are African. Ehlisa ukoma bamba nali can. Ngavele silobolana kusho lutho uphuma ePolokwane. This is my motherland. Cross iborder ufike Swaziland umhlaba. I wonder wow bewubiya inkaba. Ishonile Ethiopia ingane encane lalingadlile. Awe ise East noma North iMalawi. Remember, success process. Remember, kule trip une excess. If you black, be proud. Umnyama njenge Star Wars. DBN 031 icode. Hamba kwesikhathi uyamdinga umakoti. Impila yini ngani njengonambe barcode.
Niyazwa. And that was amazing. And apparently you're going to be arrested for cheating now if you're married.
Ngizwile lezo zinto.
Yeah. From next year.
Khokha malini mawuthi ufuna ibail. Uyaboshwa nje. Isikhathi singanani?
Says what this good.
That's very good. Hey bavelela abantu abachithayo. Yeah, so ngiserious bazovelela abantu abachithayo. Ngiserious. So sesimove sesivalelisa. Ngicela ukuthi ubaphe nawe futhi noma ngabe ichorus. Angithi ufake on the spot. Noma ngabe yini nje icabanga njengamanje.
Maybe we can focus on the feeling.
Yeah.
Ngeke ngize ngisho mhlambe yami ngivele mhlambe ngithi thwasi lapha an African queen mhlambe ulira kanje. Sithi I just want to feel good.
Woo,
every day. I want to wear a smile upon my face. I want to feel the joy of the day.
Yes.
I want to feel alive in every moment. Singing la 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la.
Thank you very much, so Creative Unplugged podcast. We love you guys. We're coming with the hits, with the banger. Bye-bye, Archild.
My name is Archild Africa. This is the Creative Unplugged podcast. We're still going to bring more vibes, more artfully unhinged content. Yonke into abafenza zithola lana khona la eThekwini khona la eSouth Africa. The Creatives Unplugged is out.
Bye-bye.
Bye.